What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, as you guys can see back here, we are here grand opening for Auto Addicts, my boys, the guys that have done all the carbon fiber stuff for the Camaro. You guys have obviously seen them on the Instagram and on other YouTube videos. We are here doing their huge grand opening. They just moved facilities, so we're super excited for them. Had to come and show out some love with Blue, and Mitchell brought his dad's Z01. We'll have to get into that thing because this thing's freaking nuts, dude. I wouldn't say it's cosmetically clean as mine. Like, it's clean, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't have like the carbon done and like other stuff. But motor wise, oh, he's making, I think it's like 950. So we'll have to get into that. And so yeah, we're just gonna do another montage car show. I got the little Z01 Camaro hat rolling here, and yeah, that's it. We're gonna show you guys inside. This place turned out epic. So we're super happy for him, and let's get into this montage video. Hopefully you guys like, and show you guys what's here, because there's some pretty cool cars.
Shut it down.
That was in this thing. As you guys can see, the license plate.
That we used to sing.